Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel as we continue our amazing journey in Vietnam. Today we are in Da Nang and we are about to explore something truly remarkable, the Lady Buddha. A symbol of peace and compassion that stands tall by the sea. Join me as we discover the beauty, history and significance of the Lady Buddha here in Da Nang. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future travel videos. Let's go! This amazing statue is known as the Lady Buddha, and it is located on the slopes of Monkey Mountain and stands at a staggering 67 meters or 220 feet tall, making it one of the tallest Buddha statues in Southeast Asia. The statue is made of reinforced concrete, with a sparkling white surface that reflects the sunlight beautifully. Her serene face and outstretched arms gives a sense of peace and tranquility. The Lady Buddha is located 15 kilometers or 10 miles from the center of Da Nang. To get here, you can take the scenic route along the coastline of Da Nang by car, taxi, or motorbike ride. The Lady Buddha represents compassion and mercy. In Vietnamese culture, she is seen as the protector of fishermen and sailors, bringing safety to those who make their living on the sea. By the way, this is not just a tourist attraction, it's a spiritual place for locals too. You will often see people lighting incense and saying prayers here, seeking blessings for their loved ones. The surroundings here are beautifully maintained. The lush landscaped gardens are a testament to the dedication of the people who care for this place. As you wander further into the garden, you can't help but feel a sense of peace and tranquility. It's a perfect place for a quiet moment of reflection. Here are some of the amazing bonsai trees that you will find all around Lady Buddha in beautiful stone flower pots. One of the most incredible aspects of visiting the Lady Buddha is the panoramic view it offers. From up here, you can see the entire city of Da Nang, the stunning coastline, and even the lush greenery of the surrounding hills. In addition to the Lady Buddha, there is also the Ling Ung Pagoda that is worth exploring. The intricate architecture and serene ambience make it a perfect place for meditation and reflection. Friends, if you ever find yourself in Da Nang, Vietnam, don't miss the chance to visit this amazing and beautiful location. That's all for our tour today, my friends. But we will be back soon with more amazing destinations. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on our next adventure. See you in the next one.